Language focus. Questions with WH words and do or does. Question word: do or does, I or you or we or they or he or she or it. Where do I or you or we or they sit? Who do I or you or we or they know? How do I or you or we or they open this? What does he or she study? When does he or she get up?
Why does it rain? Make some questions from the table. Who do you know? How do we open this? What does she study? When does he get up? Why does it rain? Complete the questions with do or does. Click on the gaps.